Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Now let us do some elementary theorems of probability. Okay, the first theorem is the probability of complementary event, that is P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay, regarding this problem, let us consider a diagram. This is sample space. Okay, capital A is an event of sample space. This is capital A. Shaded area is sample space. Okay, this is A complement. Okay, what is A complement? The area in the sample space other than capital A is called A complement. Okay, this is all A complement. This is A, and all this area surrounding this capital A is A complement. This is A. This white area is A complement, or totally this is a sample space. Okay, here we can observe that capital A and A complement are mutually exclusive events, and also we can observe that the union of capital A, that is this disk, and this surrounding area, union of this disk, this A, and this white area, union is capital S. Therefore capital S is equal to A union A complement. Okay, S is union of this area, capital A union A complement. Also A and A complement are mutually exclusive events, that is they are disjoint events. Okay, mutual exclusive means disjoint because they don't depend on each other. A and A complement are mutual exclusive means A does not depend on A complement does not depend on capital A. Therefore both of them are mutually exclusive events. Therefore exclusive means disjoint. Therefore A intersection A complement is always pi. Okay, now since S is equal to A union A complement, on taking the probability on both sides, we get P of, taking probability on both sides of this equation, we get P of S is equal to P of A union A complement. Okay, therefore P of S is equal to, since A and A complement are mutual exclusive event, basing on third axiom of probability, we get P of A plus P of A complement. Okay, but we know that P of sample space is always equals to 1. Therefore P of A is equal to P of A plus P of A complement. Therefore P of A complement 1 minus P of A is equal to P of A complement, or P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay. Now let us go to the second problem. For any events A and B, P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. To solve this problem, here also have to consider a diagram. Okay. This is a sample space. Here we will consider two events, event A, event B. Okay. Now in this event, this is A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B, and this area, I mean the area shown by vertical lines is A complement intersection B. Okay, A complement intersection B. Okay, here A intersection B and A complement intersection B are mutually independent events, mutually exclusive events, and union of these two will become B. Therefore capital B is the union of A intersection B and A complement intersection B. Okay, observe that both of these two events are disjoint. Okay, if there is any element in this common that clearly does not belongs to this area, okay, and any element of this area is not belong to this common area, therefore these both events are, first event is A intersection B and the second event is A complement intersection B. These both events are disjoint events or exclusive events. Okay, therefore in the problem, in the diagram, A intersection B is shown by A intersection B is shown by horizontal lines, and A complement intersection B, and this area is shown by vertical lines. Okay, and also we can observe that events A intersection B and A complement intersection B shaded by red lines, red color. A complement intersection B are mutually exclusive or disjoint events. Okay, these two events are mutual exclusive events, and their union is union of this common area and this area, a portion of B is B. Okay, all of this is B. Therefore B is equal to A intersection B union A complement intersection B. Union of these two events is B. Okay. Now by taking probability on both sides, we get P of B is equal to P of A intersection B, okay, union A complement intersection B. But since these two events are mutually exclusive event, by the third axiom of the probability, we can write as P of A intersection B plus P of A complement intersection B. Okay, P of B is equal to P of A intersection B plus P of A complement intersection B. Therefore P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, therefore P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now let us go to next problem, next theorem, additional theorem. Addition theorem, this is also called as addition theorem. For any two events, capital A and capital B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, here also we have to consider a diagram. This is the sample space denoted by S. This is event capital A, this is event capital B, capital A, capital B. Okay, let us shade capital A with horizontal line, green color, and B, a portion of B, that is B intersection A complement, B intersection A complement with vertical lines. Okay, this area is capital A and this area is A complement, okay, A complement intersection B, A complement intersection B. We can notice that A and A complement intersection B, that is green area and red area, are mutually exclusive events or disjoint events. Okay, and union of these two events is A union B, A union B, this area A union B. Okay, therefore set capital A is shown by horizontal lines. Okay, and A complement intersection B is shown by vertical lines. And also we can notice that A and A complement intersection B are mutually A and A complement intersection B are mutually exclusive events. Therefore, exclusive events means mutually disjoint. Therefore, by the third axiom of probability we have A union A complement intersection B. Okay, this is an event. Capital A is an event, A complement intersection B is an event. Probability of union of these two events become P of A plus P of A complement intersection B. But again, union of A and A complement intersection B, union of this set and this red area become A union B. Therefore, we can write down this A union A complement intersection B as A union B, simply A union B. Okay, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of A complement intersection B. But by the previous problem this can be written as P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, therefore P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, this is very important theorem called as addition theorem.